Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday and we have a social studies class. Well, we're going to start a new topic from chapter 12 on page 97. Ways we celebrate and remember. Okay, this is a new topic for today. Holidays. We're going to learn about holidays. But what is a holiday? Well, a holiday is a special day, okay? Holiday is a special day that families get together. All the family gets together to celebrate, okay? Families prepare special food and there are some presents and gifts. Well, the holiday is a special day and when people or families get together, okay? And the families prepare some food or delicious food, okay? Special food for that occasion. There are some presents and gifts. Today we're gonna learn some holidays that we celebrate together. Number one, for example, okay? Christmas. This is a special day. Christmas is my favorite holiday. We celebrate on December 24. Yes, some families trim a tree, okay? Make delicious food like turkey or nacatamales. And different families stay together and celebrate together, okay? The next one's holiday is Valentine's Day. Okay, this is a holiday that we celebrate love and also friendship, okay? We gave some present and we received presents too. This is a special day. We celebrate on February 14, right? Another holiday is Holy Week. This is very, very special because it's the birth of God. Okay, on April 2nd, we have the whole week. We stay at home or go for vacations and we pray God. That is very important, right? We celebrate Labor Day. Labor Day is a special day for each worker on this of the country or of the families because we stay at home. We do not go to work that day because we celebrate the work. Okay, is on May 1st. Independence Day. This is another holiday. We have a parade, right? We have a parade. We celebrate with a big parade with our costumes and flags and drums. It's very special because it is the birth of our country. We celebrate on September 15. Very good. This is another holiday, very important, Morazan's Week. Okay? We celebrate on October 4th. That is very important because represent the day when Morazan, a very important person of our history, born that day, okay? So these are some holidays that we celebrate together and we celebrate in our country, okay? There are a lot of more, but we are going to learn all of this, okay? Can you tell me which one is your favorite? ¿Cuál de estas es tu día especial favorito? Muy bien.